You can enhance this video's quality to 4K using only CapCut without any paid software. I'll show you how to do it in CapCut. Before we start, hit the bell icon so we can reach our goal of 10K subscribers by the end of the year. Now, let's begin the video. First, import the raw video into CapCut, ensuring the quality is at least 1080p or 2K for better results. If you want to do your practice on this Ronaldo video, you can download it from the link provided in the description. Select the video and navigate to the adjustment section. Click on Curves and drag the left curve upwards and the right curve downwards, repeating this for the other graphs. Then go to the Effects section. Select Lens and drag the blur effect onto the video, adjusting its settings to 45. Then click on Export, set the settings to 4K, and export the video. Once the export is complete, click on Cancel, then undo the blur step. You can also undo the step by pressing Ctrl-Z. In the top right corner, click the arrow to reset the curve settings. Import the exported video, layering it over the main video. In the video section, change the blend mode to linear burn and adjust the opacity to around 50 or as desired. Next, in the stock material section, drag a white rectangle onto the video, click on Freeze, and expand it to match the video's length. Change its blend settings to Overlay. Then go to the Effects section and apply the Sharp Edges effect. Feel free to replicate my settings. Remember, you can always add your own touch rather than strictly following my recommendations. Lastly, add an adjustment layer for color grading. In the Basics section, experiment with the settings for the best appearance, or you can use my settings. In HSL section, you can also adjust the settings of a specific color if needed. Now, let's view the final video.
Bien, sin ningún tipo de duda, el mejor jugador del mundo es el sucesor del mítico Alfredo Di Stéfano. En nuestra historia es Cristiano.
If you want to view the full edited video, comment CR7 Edit. If we reach 5K subscribers by the end of October, I will announce something big for mobile users. Now enjoy this text reveal effect tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.